Bar. It's a little different. You hear the music they play in the background. It's a little different, but hey, it's nice we're here. This is a big achievement. Want to say something, Patrick? We got on our Century Farm shirts. We got on our shirts.
Here at the Century Farm Fair. So we're going to see what's going on. Sound like they got some music playing in the background.
Little bluegrass sound like.
Very interesting.
It's all good.
I don't see no brothers around here.
Hey everyone, all right, we are going to the Century Farm reunion today for North Carolina. We are at the grounds of the North Carolina State Fair, which I believe is, we're parking over here by the NC State campgrounds or NC State complex. NC State, go pack, wolf pack. Patrick and Isaac have on their Century Farm shirts from what were they from, man? Where get these shirts from?
BL Corp.
BL Corp.
Yeah.
In Mississippi.
Mm-hmm.
So they are an organization that recognize Black Century Farm owners. And
Yeah,
so they gave us shirts.
It's a
once you're part
happy,
of
proud day. The CenturyLand owner and to represent our families here at this event. So we're happy to be here.
Isaac, you have anything to say? You excited?
Yes.
Let me see your shirt. Let me see.
Shirt.
Oh, nice. You don't want to sit on the camera.
He trying to hide from the sun.
He always been like that. All right, guys, we are here at the Century Farm. Cool. So it is in the horse complex. Alright guys, we are here at the Century Bar. It's a little different. You hear the music they play in the background. It's a little different, but hey, it's nice we're here. This is a big achievement. Want to say something, Patrick? We got on our Century Farm shirts. We got on our shirts.
Here at the Century Farm Fair. So we're going to see what's going on. Sound like they got some music playing in the background.
Little bluegrass sound like.
Very interesting.
It's all good.
I don't see no brothers around here.
Have different families that have Century Farms in North Carolina. This is nice. They have a little slideshow. Some of the different counties. This is cool. The sign. Get the sign. This is cool.
kilograms.
Okay, is there a fee for it?
Nope. So it's one per family, and you can get an ornament and then 2 hats.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's one per family, but if there's more at the end, y'all can come back.
Too much water, and then another drought, and then Hurricane Heavy. So we've got our hands full in the department trying to help restore agriculture next year. I can't say enough.
Sure.
Hello.
If he takes one, he doesn't want me to be in it.
Where are you from? Bertie County. Okay.
Commissioner of Agriculture, Steve Troxler.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is a great sight for me to see so many of you here today, and believe me, I understand what it takes to keep a farm and a family for 100 years, 200 years. It's a labor of love is all I can say. This is the largest Century Farm reunion that we've ever had, and it's fitting that it's coming this year. I have seen the best and the worst of North Carolina this year. The worst being Hurricane Helene that hit the mountains of North Carolina. I actually flew for 3 days in helicopters and landed and got out and talked to the people and saw what they were going through, and it is heartbreaking. But in the same breath, I've got to say that the people of North Carolina and other states have risen to the task of trying to help people resume their lives, and it's really been heartwarming.
550 miles. I declare you the winner. I declare you the winner too. 600. Wait a minute, you got to be in North Carolina, baby. We got lots of winners here. All right, we'll go on to the oldest farm.
Oh,
If
wow.
anyone
Oldest
can have
farm.
a farm that's older than 1824, please let us know. Older than 1824.
Wow, 1824. 1824.
How about 1800? Here. 1775.
1775. Wow.
17.
I don't know what's going on. 1775. But
1750. 1740. Let's just go to 1700. 1730. 1740. Thank you. Thank you.
wow. Farm established in 1740.
Each day at the fair, we recognize a farm family of the day. Our farm family of the day today is the Walker family of Commodore. Are they in attendance? Thank you. We are so glad that all of you are here today. This is the largest gathering of Century Farms in the 54 years of this program. We're so happy that all of you can make it today. It's going to be a great program, and I hope all of you have a great time at the fair after we conclude today.
My name is Grace Summers. My farm is Summers Farm in Guilford County. It's been in the family since 1878.
Wow. Wow.
And Currently, part of the farm is rented out, but the part that I own, I raise free-range chickens. I sell eggs, a lot of eggs. I'm sick of eggs.
Yeah, because eggs going up, so that's a good thing to do.
So I did meat birds for a while, but during COVID, processing was hard, really hard. So free-range chickens, trying to get back to vegetables when I can have some time to do it.
And you say you retired, you say you used to have a lot of...
So I retired from Cooperative Extension at North Carolina A&T State University, and the next day I started working for Virginia State's Small Farm Outreach Program.
Okay, cool.
So I've worked across the state with a lot of farmers.
Yes, like I said, I think I was on a webinar that you were guest speaker.
With American Farmland Trust. Yeah, we did one on... I think the last one I was on, we did one on grant writing.
Okay, yes. I think it was. That's what it was. I think it was. Yeah, because I was taking some notes because they had, I think, because I was like, oh, this is for Virginia, not for North Carolina. But it was great information for everyone. Yeah,
so we just finished up a Virginia cohort group last week before last, up in Charlottesville.
Okay.
They had been in the cohort group for 6 months. And hopefully we're hoping to get some funding to go back and do another one in North Carolina.
Cool.
The one in North Carolina, they graduated, finished last fall. But they have had some other learning circles.
Okay.
And they're interested in teaching people how to do learning circles. And so to keep it going and keeps the information flowing and keeps everybody connected.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all you do, Grace.
Thank you.
For helping everyone out with the farms and stuff. You have any advice for families to keep their land?
I do. Connect with these organizations that are giving out information like American Farmland Trust, Black Family Land Trust here, and
with Ebony.
Make sure you just connect with all the groups that you can connect with to find out ways that you can hang on to your land. And there's a lot of grant programs out. There's a lot of help out there if you know where to look and you just stay with it. And it's a much better alternative than selling it. Because once you sell it, I doubt you'll ever get it back.
Like they always say, they're not making any land no more.
No.
State Fair. All right, we at the North Carolina State Fair. Let's go. It's a beautiful day out here. It's a little cool. We got on our sweaters, but it is not too cool. The sun is shining. The weather's nice. I'm excited. You excited, Isaac?
Are you excited? I'm excited.
I think this is so cute. This is Smitty's apples. That's like that old time feel. The country feel. Heritage wood shop. Something smells real good. Something smells real good. Wait a minute. Ooh, apple cider. Yeah. You said it was apple dumplings? It's apple cider. Granny's Country Kitchen. What they sell there? Oh, that looks nice. That slushy he has in his hand. That looks so good right there. They have sandwiches, hot dogs, burgers. At Granny's Country Kitchen. A little eatery over here and a little music stand. Then they have fresh, seafood. What kind of seafood they have here? Seafood truck. Blue crabs, tuna, scallops, shrimp. Ooh. we decided to go to last night's seafood place, seafood truck. We were able to use our ag bucks that we got from the Century Farm to get $15 each. So that's gonna be nice. Nice free food. State fair. All right, so we grabbed our food from the seafood truck. It is tacos, seafood tacos with fried tuna. They had the option with shrimp, but we got the one with fried tuna.
Yeah, the band's from 5 to 9, but I don't.
Isaac just got fries. Oh, we got some fries, and they have it with Cajun salt on it. Isaac said he don't want to be on the camera. Isaac, is it good? Yeah. Okay. And so we kind of laid back. So they have different areas where you can sit, but it was under the sun. And we didn't want to sit under the sun, so we decided to have some few chairs by the little lake, a little pond. And so we decided to sit over here. It's cool under here, under the shade and a little breeze. You get to eat and relax. Patrick went to go trade our beverages for something else. But we're gonna get ready to eat. It is nice out here. Families are sitting out here with their children and babies. It's really nice. So yeah, we're excited. Go on this side, Isaac. Oh look, pow! Just like, look at that. How's you gonna be riding one of these one day? When you out there, with your future wife and kids. He focused. He leaning back. What kind of driving is that? Leaning back. What kind of driving is that? Leaning back. You gonna have to sit up with that. Yeah. You gotta sit up. Hold them wheel. He's so fascinated with gas pedals now. That's his thing now. It's nice out here. I like it. Has this state fair has like a little country feel, which is nice, laid back. You ready? Oh, the top. Okay. Put it on here.
Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. Yellow.
Okay. Oh, cool. Isaac. Now you see these down the street from the house with the neighbors. When they have that goes on that other road. That's cool. Sweet potato digging plow. It's a farm. It's 2019. Look at that. for sure what that is. You know what it is? Write it in the comments. McDonald's. 1936 model.
Oh, you're fine.
Here's the tractor development. There's another corn.
Yeah, you say ew, but it was very important for the
Tobacco. But tobacco is.
Yeah, I know. I'm not saying I love it. I'm saying it was important for you.
Here's the cotton scale. Cotton scale.
Cotton scale. They would pick cotton and then you put it in there to see how much you picked. You know, because you probably would sell it by the pound.
Yeah, my mom. But she. Oh no, this is a Model T Ford engine.
Wait, Model T? Ford Model T. That's like the first car that. Look at the Model T engine.
Oh yeah, that long one was 17.5.
That car changed.
Now, wow, look at this. Look at this. It actually has the dollars on there, $40, $30. Eggs, you can see eggs. Receipt, slip. This is cool. Built in 1921. Look, and Larry has some receipts down there. That is cool. Oh, the milk truck. Is that the milk truck? Yes. It's a milk truck. Wagon. Look at this wagon.
Look over
before we
here.
leave. This is cool. Here are the glasses for the milk.
These are old-fashioned milk bottles. That was nice and fresh milk.
I was gonna ride on a pony. There are ponies out here, so he wanted to ride the pony.
You want that or that's okay, fine.
You want to stand inside, Patrick?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can stand inside.
can see.
I'll be out here. Well, I can come inside too?
Yeah, we're here. This way.
Okay. think I just want to ride again.
Fresh squeeze lemonade.
Ice cream machine. How it tastes?
Great.
We are heading out. We're leaving. We looked at some exhibits. Isaac did a little pony ride. We're kind of a little tired because we got up early to come here for the Century Farm reunion at the horse complex barn. And then right after that, they gave us complimentary tickets to the state fair, which is next door, and some, they call it ag bucks, we were able to use for food, for some of the vendors. So that's where you've seen us go to the seafood place. So we are so thankful for this day today, and the North Carolina Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services for hosting the Century Farm reunion. And they gave us a complimentary ticket. Parking was free. Admission tickets was free for all of us. And then also we got some ag bucks to eat. So we got a little treat too. Isaac went on the pony ride. We had to pay for the pony ride, but that's fine. I mean, whole day without having to pay a lot, so it's a blessing. So we are on our way back home. We're leaving. See you.